Alright, YouTube, it's been a while here, but I guess we'll do a layout update, kinda new cars on the layout. But recently just got this guy, new DM&E, Athearn Genesis. Got this Reading car at a train show up in Kutztown. Got these three guys up in Kutztown as well. I got this one at a antique up in Readingers. This guy's from Brian's Model Trains out in Myerstown. The same with this guy. Another rare car to find, the Flex Flow of Conrail. And got this guy up at, I believe, Kutztown as well. And this guy was at Kutztown as well. And this little guy here is the new Rapido I just picked up from Henning's Trains. This guy does light up, so it's a good little caboose. Metal wheels, metal couplings. I got an MRL train on the layout. That's my buddy Brett's train sitting here on the main. Some MRL, BN stuff. There's my two Macs. And here's his two Aces on my layout. 4401, and thank you to all the essential workers. 4404, Heritage. And I just recently picked up two Conrail 80 Max. Still got to put the coders in there and all that good stuff. Got these two units from my buddy Brett to do. And just did some track work right in this area here. Switch used to be here. Moved it back more. A little bit derailments here. And moving some NCE stuff here to move down under the layout here on this shelf. That way, keep this free. And this guy's pretty much ballast. Little Conrail switcher there. Got some American Flyers here as well to work on. Get these tracks all cleaned up and whatnot. Here's an old transformer. I wouldn't plug that guy in. But yeah. Coming along. Little by little. Some Conrail scale trains there. Athearn. And an Intermountain one here. Got the plastics. Yeah, not too much. This is new here. Put flex track in on this. Give it more of a nice sweeping curve in there. Did some yard stuff in there. Some wheels, some rails. Replace this section here. Put flex track up through here. Give it more nice of a curve. And just redid back there where it's not ballast. Did that today. I had crossovers back there and they were giving me a hard time. So took them out since I already got crossovers in the front of the layout. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, like, all that good stuff. See you next time.